This is the simplest day trading strategy you can use to trade Nas100 and US30. This is amazing. If you want to catch trades every day, go by this approach. This was US30 trade that was on Friday. Perfect trade, perfect setup. So one thing is, when you backtest on US30 and Nas100, you're gonna see that it follows the same pattern every time. Asian time, landing time, New York, distribute. It follows the A, M, D approach every time. That is the accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution. What I've noticed is every morning, that is Asian time, that is night time, price will accumulate. It will just accumulate around like this. Let me show you something. It will just do something like this, accumulate. And when we are entering landing time, that's where you're going to have that distribution to the downside like this. And then during landing in New York overlap, that is the intersection of landing in New York, you're going to have a little distribution like this, and then price will come back again and then distribute, the original direction. The ABC approach happens a lot on Nas100 and US30. I'm going to show you. So in this case, we have here to be the accumulation, and then down here is going to be the manipulation. That is, price will manipulate and then distribute, break the high of this one, come back for a retest around here, entry, and then push to the direction. So I'll put some templates on the screen for you guys to see how the update or whatever it is, so that you can sketch it into your trading book or whatever, so that anytime you are trading, you can reference to it and then know how to apply the principle. Okay, so look at the time the trade was caught. This trade here was caught around 2 p.m. So what I've realized is 2 p.m. that is 1:32. That is where you're gonna see the move. This trade here was around 1, that was 2 p.m. and here was 2:30. That was the move. Look down there. Just check down there. You can see that was 14:30 p.m. You can see price drop. That was time to the downside. You can see here, this was the accumulation that price was making around here, and price pushed down, came back again, entry to the downside. Now let's trade back in time. You can see the same thing happening here. This thing, accumulation, price accumulated, nothing happened, drop. The one thing is, price normally follows the pattern of the trend direction. That is the direction of where market is going. That is where price follows. Now let's went back in time and let's see. Let's go back in time and let's see. The same principle happened here. So what did we see? What happened? We saw that price push up, consolidated a little, push up a little. Let's go to the 15 minutes and let's see what happens there before the push. So on the 15 minutes, you can see here that was the breakout, and here too you can see price came through, took the low of this one. Is there a liquidity sweep or what? And then push to the upside. You can see. So this one happens on US30 and Nas100 a lot. You can see the same thing here. Price accumulate, distribute, and push. So the thing that I was talking about down there, that is the accumulation and distribution. Let me show you. It happened perfectly here. Let's come to the 30 minutes. Now let's see. And now it's here. You see what happened? Price accumulate right here. You can see manipulate to the downside. And then what happened again? We had a push and then retrace down again to this place, and then there was an entry around here. Price push up. That was the zone around here. Perfect, tap into the zone. Price push up. You can see. Let me pull up this indicator on the screen for you guys to see. It is going to draw everything for you. So we're gonna use the session breaks, which this one you can see The session break is marking this zone for us. So this zone here is the landing zone. You can see. So landing zone is normally for manipulation. Because Nas100 and US30 moves a lot in the New York time, landing is actually for manipulation. You can see the same thing here. Landing, what happened? We saw manipulation in the landing. That was when the breakout happened. Manipulation, distribution. This place was landing in New York overlap. Let me bring the New York on the screen and let's see. So let me enable the New York. Let me zoom in this one a little. So guys, you can see this place was landing in New York overlap. So it was New York. You saw the distribution to the outside. The same place, this area here too. It was a New York price came down here, distribute. The same area here, it was New York. That's 130 to 2 before the distribution. So guys, US30 Nas100 moves a lot. That is during New York section. So what you need to do is you wake up in the morning to mark your zone. That is the Asian time. Remember, I said it follows the accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution. I'll put a template on the screen for you guys to put it in your trading journal so that every morning you follow the steps. So Asian time, we have this accumulation here. This is the accumulation. This is A. You can see landing time, we have manipulation down here. This is M. And then New York time, we have this distribution here to the upside. This is D. Okay, so this whole thing here will make 1 day candle, will form that 1 day candle that we are looking for. Okay, so that is how it is. Like I show you something like this. Distribute, manipulate, distribute, come back for entry, push. This area here is the accumulation, and then down here becomes the manipulation. Down here becomes the M, and then this impulse move becomes the distribution. The distribution that is for a bullish move. If you are looking for a bullish move, so this one happens in the Asian time. Happens in the Asian, that is around 4 or 5 days. So in the morning you mark them out on your chart, and this one happens normally in the landing time. Landing time, that is where this one happens, and this one, the distribution happens during New York time. That is 2 day, 132 day. That is where we're gonna see this. So guys, I've back tested this and I've seen that it works every time on the chart. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.